The brand new G-kamoco Flex Redefining Motion Control robotic arm makes it possible to achieve more reliable, safer, more precise, and more intelligent program production. It can simulate commonly used studio equipment such as a pneumatic lifting system, track, jibe, crane, and telescopic arm. The Motion Place special production software is specifically designed for the broadcast industry. Whether it is a cameraman or a director, they can learn and master it within 10 minutes. It features a node-based editing mode that can capture thumbnails of keyframes. It is equipped with a hardware operation panel that conforms to traditional operation habits, allowing users to get started easily without the need for learning. It supports both the basic coordinate motion mode and the direction following mode. The program listing mode has a clear logic, and it can be triggered by a third party. To be linked as a fully automatic shooting system, the Robotic Arms Mute System, which is pioneered in the industry, meets the requirements of news live broadcasts. With one click, it can return to the horizontal position, which is convenient for remote composition reference. One click to retract can effectively prevent other camera positions from being in the shot. It has real-time data monitoring and log information. The 5-dimensional electronic anti-collision system makes program production safer. The multifunctional interface box with a tally light provides various signal paths such as 12G SDI, Gen lock, and teleprompter signals. The all-internal wiring design is reliable and aesthetically pleasing. All joints are fully enclosed, providing a better protection level and mute characteristics